I am M. Govindarajan, son of late A.P. Moganan. My company name is Sri Radio Ware House. Past 7 decades, we are in this field. We are very specialist in car accessories, entire DSP, digital sound, all Pioneer A to Z products, everything we are selling these products.
Hi, I am Padmanabhan from Sri Radio Ware House.
Hey, hi, I'm Prasad and this is my car Kia Sonet. So I wanted a dash camera for my car because I had a bad experience on the road. I decided to install a camera to secure my car while driving.
Today, the DVR is more important in all over world. Now, India is more important because of the road population and everything. Safety point by the customers and car point. So it's a proof to the whatever happen, anything wrong in this.
So I came here to Radio Ware House. So they suggested me a Pioneer camera.
Pioneer, they recently launched Dash Cam VREC-H120SC-D. Today we are going to install Dash Cam in our Kia Sonet. It's only front dash cam. Its clarity is absolutely very good. The customer is very happy with having this.
Whenever the car goes or anything emergency purpose, you can see all these recorded things through our mobiles, and whatever the records, whenever we need it, we can see it in this product.
Now I can show you the dash cam size. It's very compact, very easy to handle. It's lightweight also. It has one C-type power source and SD card option also. This dash cam it support with 128 GB SD card. It can fix any car is anywhere on the windshield. 1.5K is video recording. You can reduce the resolution in throughout the Pioneer app itself.
Yeah, it's a pocket-friendly product, and the lens is very superb lens, and they even the warranty these products.
So based on my experience, it looks tiny, elegant, and it's completely invisible. And it doesn't disturb while I'm driving.
And clarity point is very good.
In one click, I can able to see all the videos which have been recorded. Now I can feel completely secure. I'm completely satisfied with the Pioneer. So definitely I would recommend for everyone.
Are the best selling products of this product.